Hello? Whatever. Man, what is that? What the fuck?
I bet you wonder why you are here.
What? Why am I here? And where is this place?
It will all make sense soon. This is not a dream. This is the abstract, a sacred level of the spirit world. We are its watchers. For ages, we lived in peace, not because we are weak, because we are bound. But some of our priests have fallen, and now the realm is losing balance. That is why you were chosen. The spirit guardians saw you, a soul from the mortal realm, free from our chains. You will restore what we cannot, but first, you must awaken.
Yeah, this is crazy.
I see.
What? Where am I?
You are the one the ancient ones have chosen. A mere mortal. That power will be mine. This is your doom.
Hold tight.
What?
That was close.
Where was that?
Welcome to the spirit realm.